Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to change gesture sensitivity on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the system section. Now just go to the gestures and you'll see the system navigation tab there, and on the right side of your screen you'll see the settings icon. Just tap there, and just to change your sensitivity, swipe with your finger to the left or to the right side from the lowest to the highest. You can make that. So as can you see, that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.